Hello there, and welcome to this CSWatch OCR J276 video where we are going to be looking at compression. We're going to be looking at what is compression, why is compression needed, as well as two different types of compression. So compression is the process of reducing file size. If we're thinking about loading up a website, you want to make sure that the videos and images, text, content on there has got a smallest file size as possible. The smaller the file size, the quicker it is to load up, the less needs to get downloaded onto your PC, the less data that you're going to be using overall. It can be used for videos, images, pretty much anything you can think of can be compressed. There are specific compressed file types such as zip files and RAR files, which can take a whole group of files together, compress that, which then gives you a folder full of compressed images, full of compressed files, which can be useful. So if you're going to be downloading a picture gallery, you'll probably be downloading a zip file or a RAR file because it's going to be a compressed group of images. So the images get compressed first of all, and then when they get put in the zip file, it gets compressed again. When you've got a compressed file such as zip or RAR, you need to extract the information, so uncompressing it, before you can use any information inside that file or folder. There's two types of image compression you need to know about, lossy and lossless. Lossy compression involves some information, some data from the file being deleted when it gets compressed. So if you've got an image that you're going to take and you're going to use lossy compression on it, and you use lossy compression, it gets compressed, some of the data gets deleted, some of the data gets lost. There's some uses for it, there's some purposes for it, whereas lossless is becoming more and more popular because lossless compression involves the data remaining but still getting compressed. Lossless compression is a smaller file size than without compressing, but it gives you a larger file size compared to lossy. With lossy, the data goes away, the data is deleted, so then naturally it gives it a smaller file size, whereas lossless keeps all the data, but it is a larger file size than lossy. So, in this video we've been looking at compression, why it's so important. You want to make sure that if you're running a website, or even if you're developing a mobile app, you want to make sure that your file sizes are as small as possible. You want to make sure you're taking up as less space, both on your servers and also the devices which it's being run on or loaded from. Very important when it comes down to downloading from the internet. Again, you want to make sure that the file size is small enough as possible, so then when you're downloading, that downloading process is going to happen as quickly as it can. Images can be compressed by either using lossy or lossless compression. With lossy, some of the data gets deleted, so it gives you very small file sizes, compared to lossy, which keeps all the data there but gives you a slightly larger file size than lossy. I hope you're happy with this video. I hope you're happy with compression, why is it so important and who needs it, and I shall see you in another video. See you later.